this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you how to cook a frozen stir-fry mix in the air fryer. I'm talking your classic stir-fries that you see in your local frozen grocery store and trying them out in the air fryer. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Now back to the air fryer stir fry mix. This is the ones we have and we'll be using. Short story. When we originally shared with you how to do it in the air fryer on RecipeThis.com, if you search for air fryer stir fry, you'll see the exact mix that we used. It was actually an Irish brand that had been imported into Portugal, but it was during when there was a lot of problems with Brexit and customs, so they wouldn't normally come in from Ireland, so it was a totally different brand. So the one we're using today is slightly different, so we're going to see how the cook times compare. But the main ingredients in it are very, very similar. It's got a nice mixture of things in it. It's got the corn, which we love. It's got the carrots. It's got the peppers. So we'll just see how well it does. So a little bit open. And also to mention, these are the steam bag mixes. So you've actually got a couple of different bags here to open up and load into the air fryer basket. This is the first one. And some scissors, and then you just want to throw it in. That's bag one. And this is bag number two. Looking at this in the air fryer basket, I would say it's less than half of the quantity that we've actually got in Recipe This, because bags are often different sizes, which I think helps you because you're not necessarily going to use the exact same brand as us, so we can show you how they compare in cook times. So once you've put them all out in the air fryer like that, and you've made sure they're all spread out and they're not just one big clunk, you want to use the unit. Turn on your air fryer, and originally we did 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, for 8 minutes, but I'm going to take this down to 6 minutes because there's a lot less in here, and then press that. And we've beeped. So let's check on our stir fry, shall we? See how it's doing so far. And wow, that's coming along brilliantly. And as you can see there, it's starting to be nicely cooked. You can feel all the wetness that's coming off the stir fry mix, because the problem is when you buy frozen stir fry vegetables, they do tend to hold a lot of water, especially the peppers. And let me just show you the air fry basket a bit. You can just see there all the liquid that's generating. So now the next step is season your air fryer. So salt, pepper, and my favourite one of them all, which is Chinese 5 spice. I wouldn't normally do this directly in the air fryer because it makes it dirty, but it will need a good clean after this anyway because of all the water it generates. So it really doesn't matter. And then, oh, you can smell that lovely 5 spice. And now Give it a nice mix, and then once you've done that, you can finish off with some extra virgin olive oil spray. This will help make it more like when it's been in a wok rather than just feeling like it's steaming. Because when you're doing this, it's like it's got much lower calories, like if you were using those steamer bags in an actual steamer, but with the texture of the wok, but without the calories that you need for the wok. You're looking for a temperature of 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 4 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on our stir fry, shall we? And wow, doesn't that look absolutely fantastic? That's just really, really quickly cooked stir fry veggies in the air fryer basket. And then just grab yourself a plate or a dish, whichever you prefer, and you can just load it up. And then grab those little bits that get stuck at the bottom as well. There's always plenty of those. Oh, missed a bit of pepper. But let me show you it close up. So that's how much you get for actually 2 steam bags. So it shows the portion sizes on them really do suck if that's 2 of them. And you know, that's just perfect. And what you could also do with that is when you first put it in, you could also add in some thawed little chicken pieces to make yourself a chicken stir fry, little pieces of beef, some prawns, whatever you like your stir fry like. And there you have it. You've just got a really, really quick stir fry to enjoy for a light lunch or dinner using the air fryer. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.